Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Bubble Buzz game. So let's get started right away. Now, since the Bubble Buzz application doesn't have any save game information or sign up or login feature, all of your save game progresses will be saved on your device itself. So in order to delete your account, first of all open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. Now from the apps page, simply search for Bubble Buzz game, and then when you find it, simply tap on it and this will open up the application info page for the game. Now first of all tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage page you can tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner first and then tap on the clear data button. After clearing your game data, you can open up the Bubble Buzz game once again, and you will find that your saved account has been deleted, and you will start the game again from the first. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Bubble Buzz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.